English to Khasi translation. Translation on the weather. Rainy season. Kaayom slap. English. It is raining whole day today. Khasi. Kaslap baro shisngi menta kasngi. English. I have to carry an umbrella. Khasi. Ngahab bandra shatri. English. The rain has damaged all houses and roads this year. Khasi. Uslap ulap penjulor lod ya kiyeng badi kilinti sengking baro menta usnem. English. The roads are flooded with rainy water. Khasi. Kilinti sengking ki ashley lud da ka slab. English. Mausan Ram receives the highest rainfall in the world again this year. Khasi. Ka Mausan Ram kalayo biang ya ka jingjur slap tam hakaperthai baro kawai. English. Sora also is one of the wettest place in the world. Khasi. Ka Sora ru ka day kaway na kijaka bajur slap tam hakaperthai. English. All the waterfalls in Sora are roaring because of heavy rainfall for so many days. Khasi. Baro kikshad ha Sora kilak kerho namar ka jingjur u labba labon bon sngi. English. The wind coupled with incessant rain has uprooted many trees in our village. Khasi. Kalaer harangkat bad uslap ba baklempod kilapen klem shibon kideng hasnong jongi. English. Landslides occur in many parts of Meghalaya due to heavy rains in the last few days. Khasi. Kajingtua ka kandau kalajia hakaleng kijaka ha Meghalaya namar kajingjur slap palat ha kini kisngi baladep. English. All schools declared holidays for 3 days due to incessant rains and landslides. Khasi. Baro ki school kilapan bna shuti nakabenta lai sngi namar kajingjur slap palat klempod bad kijingtua ka khandau. English. Not only in Meghalaya, almost all states in the northeast experience floods and landslides due to incessant rains. Khasi. Mtang ha Meghalaya hanrei janbaro ki jilla hakathan shatei lamngi kimat ya ki jingshlei bad jingtua ka khandau namar ka jingjur slap palat klempod. English. I have never seen such a flood situation in my life. Khasi. Ngampat juyo I menuru kum kani ka jingshlei ha ka jing jonga. English. Floods affected low altitude areas of Assam bordering Bangladesh. Khasi. Kijingshlei kilakta ya kijaka them jongka sam kibadan hakaput bat ka Bangladesh. English. In Bangladesh, floods have taken so many lives and left many people homeless. Khasi. Hakari Bangladesh ka jingshlei kalashim no shibun ki mensem but shibun ki brew kalalong klem yeng klemsem. How to prevent landslides. Number 1. Kumno ban yada naga jingtua ka khandau baningkong. English. To prevent landslides, we must plant trees because the roots of the trees prevent soil erosion. Khasi. Banyada na ka jingto ni twa ka khandau ni dei ban thong ya ki deng namar ki thiet jong ki deng ki yada ya ka jingto ni twa ka khandau. How to prevent landslides. Number 2. Kumno ban yadai nakajintwa kakando baar. English, remove loose or heavy material from the top of the slope. Khasi, weng lane karya lut ya ki tier ki bakhya ki badon halor ki jaka basharing. How to prevent landslides. Number 3. Kumno ban yada nakajingtwa kakando balai. English, build sheds and other structures away from an edge. Khasi, shna ya ki yeng ne kino ki jing shna jingai na ka tmidjong karyat ni sharing.